Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Favorn and today I'm here to show you how you can apply eyeshadow for beginners. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So first of all you need is concealer. You can use a concealer in order to make your eyeshadow base, and for me today I'm going to use what we call concealer from the Atticus, and I'm going to apply it on my lids. I'm going to go on with my beauty blender and blend it in. Then I'm going to go on with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to set my eyelids. I'm going to go on and apply the setting powder, and please remove the excess. Then at the crease area, I'm going to go on with this medium brown shade, and it's what I'm going to apply as my transitional shade. Can go on like this. And I forgot to tell you, the crease area is the area between the bone and the lid. I hope you can see the difference between the eyelid which has been set and the one which is not set. At the inner corner of my eyelid, I'm going to go on and apply this darker shade. I'm going to use this small eyeshadow brush here. I'm going to go on with my transitional shade to blend everything very well. Still at the inner corner of my brows, I want to add this black shade here. Now I'm going to go on with this shimmery gold shade at here. See? Doing this using my flat brush. Eyebrow shade to blend. Then I'm going to make something like a wing with my eyeliner. and then go on and apply mascara, and I use one from the Kylie. The mascara is helped to add volume to my eyelashes. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.